So check it out guys, we finished up on our rear quarter panel. Everything's all been welded up and linished down. So we also made a start on the rear, lined up the lights, tailgate and bumper. So everything's nice and flush, so we can make a start on the front of the car. So as you guys can see, there's a big dent right here, so we're going to straighten the dent out, remove the wing, light and also the bumper. So we got the new parts. We'll start putting the wing on and also the headlight and start lining it up. And yeah, let's get straight into it.
So as you guys just saw, we have fitted up all the front end panels. Everything lines up nicely as it should be, and we haven't really secured the panels into place. That's why some of the panels are kind of sticking out. But yeah guys, we have roughly lined it up. Everything is nice as it should be. Alignment's coming out pretty decent, to be honest. We have got a couple of issues right now. One of those issues is the slam panel. It's got multiple cracks, so we will have to order another one. We didn't really see that guys until we took the bumper off. Another issue that we have right now is the dent just along this bonnet here guys. It does need quite a bit of work doing. We have roughly kind of pushed the dent out, but it still needs a lot of work doing. But for this video guys, we have done quite a lot of work. We've welded on the new quarter panel, we've lined up the rear panels, we've fitted them in the front panels as well. We've got more lined up as well guys, so we've done a good amount of work for this video. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully in the next video we can get this car all prepped and painted as well, so stay tuned for that. But for now guys, we're going to end the video here and we'll see you guys on the next one.